Designing a bar stool, part one. So we're going to start off pretty simple here and start with a leg. So we'll create a sketch and we're just going to come down from the top view. And you can see I'm at the top view because it says top over here. And up top here, I have on my screen center rectangle. If you don't, you click on create rectangle and you go center rectangle. So I'm going to grab the center point here. You can see how it highlights blue, drag it out, and I'm going to go 1.5 by 1.5. Okay, I can type in 1.5 by 1.5 as well. And there's my rectangle. That's 1.5 by 1.5. All right, or my square now. Now I'm going to finish the sketch. And from here, I'm going to do extrude. I'm just going to kind of drag this so you can see it better. And I'm going to make our extrusion 20 inches high. And over here, before I hit enter, I got to click on new body. I don't want new body. I want new component. I want to make it a component. And click on OK. Now, immediately, I'm going to come over to the right side, left side here, right mouse click. And I'm going to go rename, and I'm going to call this leg so I know what it is. Okay, so there's our first leg. Now, here's the tricky part. You need to put on, and I'm just going to actually, before I do this, go display settings, visual style. I'm going to put shaded with edges. You can kind of see it a bit better now. You can see the edges. Okay, I'm going to put some color onto this to make sure the next part of this is pretty simple. So under modify, there's appearance, or A for appearance. And I'm going to pick this side right here for right now. I'm going to grab the cherry, and I grab the cherry and put it only on that side. Okay, then I'm going to come up here a bit, scroll out here a bit, and I'm going to pick this side, and I'm going to pick the bamboo, and I'm going to put the bamboo on this side. Doesn't matter what colors you pick, just pick two colors. All right, so there's our two colors. I'll get rid of the appearance now. And now let's do our angles. So we're going to chamfer the top because a bar stool, the legs splay out both ways. And they're not straight up and down. So what we're going to do is do what's called a chamfer. So I'm going to go to modify, I go to chamfer, and I'm going to take this edge right here, the cherry edge, and we're going to click on the cherry edge. And to see this, we're going to leave it on this angle. We are going to do a distance and angle. So you might have to click here for distance angle. Our distance, I'm going to type it in here as 1.5. And you can see how that goes down, but it's on a 45. And we're going to make that 6. All right, and click on OK. Now that we've got the cherry one done, oops, you can see from one side, you can see it's higher up on the other side. All right, so I'm going to put it back to the home view. Now, we're going to do the bamboo side. So go to the front view, and we're going to take this and go modify, chamfer this edge. We're going to go 1.5, which means it should come down on the angle here. And I'm just going to move it like this so you can see this. And once again, our angle here is going to be 6. Okay, so now when we go this way, you can see that this angle is on an angle going up. And if I rotate this way, whoops, wrong way, sorry. If I rotate to this side, you can see that the angle goes up and up. So there's our top of our leg done. Now I'm going to pause it here, and you're going to continue on in the next tutorial on how to do the opposite side of this.